Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss about what skills do you need to be a good data analyst, to become a good data analyst. And that will be the first one. I think it's very important to know SQL. Doesn't matter if it's a SQL Server, doesn't matter if it's Oracle SQL or MySQL, doesn't matter. They are close to each other, all of them. But if you understand SQL and you know how to use it, you'll be a good data analyst. This is necessary to analyze and to extract from big data wherever you want to see and you want to analyze. Then the second skill, which I think you need to know if you want to become a good data analyst, is Excel. Excel is old, but it's still on the track. It's still very necessarily as a data analyst, because you will do a lot of data manipulation, you will do a lot of data preparation, you will do cleaning in data, and all those steps requires Excel, and you need to be good with formulas, with maybe a little bit macros, VBA and stuff like that. The third one is data visualization. So we can see databases, SQL, manipulation, Excel. The third one, data visualization. I think data visualization is very, very important. Why? Because you present the huge amount of data in a short version of your data. You need to present it well. And here you need communication skills. You need to know how to explain to the people how you obtained the information and what you calculate there. They need to understand what you want to show to them. And you need to be very good in explaining those kind of things. Then the fourth one is a little bit statistics. If you could have a few ideas on the statistics side, like mean, mode, median, standard deviation, linear regression, maybe you need to know a little bit OR programming. Will be very good if you are good with OR programming. Or maybe a little bit Python. Python is the easiest programming language, but it's used as well in statistics. So this will be also very good for you if you want to become a good data analyst. Then the fifth one. So the fifth one is critical thinking. Critical thinking is very important because you ask yourself questions. You want to find out the answers. You want to see, why do I have to do that? How do I have to do that? What is necessary to obtain the results? And all those questions will lead you to the answers. And in this way, you find the solution for your problem. This is very important. And always people, they need to ask questions and they need to find the answers for those questions. And that's why many people, they will come to you as a data analyst because they want to find out the results, and they cannot find them because the data today is very big. The data, it's huge. And they cannot go through the whole Excel spreadsheets or to the whole SQL database to analyze the data. It's impossible. So they will come to you and they will say, I want to see, let's say, the trend for the Q1. So in this way, critical thinking will help you to understand exactly what is needed from yourself and how you can obtain those results and present the solutions. If you like my video, please click that like button, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more videos like that.